I'll show you how to unmute notes, story, or posts on Instagram. Now, open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android, and let's say you muted somebody. In this case, maybe I muted my brother, Aaron. I can always find the entire mute list, and that'll include stories, posts for people, maybe their reels, all of that stuff. But first, we need to get to your settings to be able to do this. So within the settings, you'll be able to see if you scroll down, they usually move this around, but it's currently under the what you see, and we'll go to the muted accounts, and there are a couple of accounts. In this case, I can tap on AK Nace or Aaron, and instead of muting him, I can choose to unmute the posts for his account. You'll be able to see all of the mute options for that person. But I can also go to other people as well and go to their accounts. If I have muted their notes, stories, or posts, or maybe even their location, I can choose to unmute all of those if I wanted to.